Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Anderson Imagine Tech. Today I'm going to show you step by steps how you can write your first blog post. Remember on my last video I explained on how you can create your own blog. So today I will explain you step by steps how you can write your first blog post. But before we get started, let's see what we got for today. Today we will discuss how to create and format a blog post. Then we will see how to add images on blog posts. Then we will see how to add subtitles, bullet points, and links on a blog post. Then we will see how to embed a YouTube video on a blog post. Then we will see how to write a search description for search engine optimization. And finally, we will publish our post. And that concludes today's agenda. Before we get started, please make sure that you have active login on your Google account. On our last video, we have created these blogs. But see, we don't have any post yet. See here, there is a zero post. So if I try to view these blogs, I'm trying to view this blog. See, this is our default views. It's just to show only headings, but there is nothing here. That means there is no post yet. So now we will create a post. So to create a post for your blog, first you click here, new post. So once you click new post, this interface will come. It's like a text editor. So to write a post, first you're supposed to enter the heading of the post. Here, you're supposed to keep the heading of the post. And here is where you're supposed to keep the content of your post. For me, in this video, I have already prepared a post on my Word document. Let me show you. On my Word document, I have this post, and this is my headings. I can copy this heading like this. Let me copy these headings, then come back to my blogs and paste this heading, and then I'll come again to my Word document and I'll copy the remaining text. And this remaining text I will paste here under content. So once I paste my content here, I can format my content. This is like a Word document, so I can change font type, I can change font size, I can bold some text, I can keep italic for some text, I can underline some text, I can change color for specific area. So first of all, let me try to change font type and size. First of all, you're supposed to highlight the whole text. After highlighting, so I would go here and font types. You will see a lot of font types. If you want to add more, you can click here, add more. But see, you will see Arial, you will see Times New Romance and other fonts. But see, in this video, I will select the default font. And font size, you will see smallest, you will see small, you will see normal, you will see mediums, you will see large, you will see largest. But see, under this video, I will select mediums because leaders they see clear if you select a medium. So I will recommend you also on your post you're supposed to select medium. So now I've already changed the font size and the font types for my blog post. So this is like a Word document or any text editor. So if you want to bold a specific area, you can use bold. If you want to keep some text italic, you can click here to keep italic. If you want to underline a specific area, you can use this underlines. It's like a normal Word document. If you want to keep a specific text with a specific color, I can use here. See, you will see a lot of colors, reds and yellow and other colors. One of the best things before you publish your post, you're supposed to preview your post to see how leaders they can see your post in different devices. You know, some leaders they use mobile phones, some leaders they use computers, some leaders they use tablets. So you want to first you're supposed to see how this reader will see my post. You're supposed to click here and preview button. So once you click the preview button, you will see here at the bottoms devices. You will see computers. You can click here desktops. So that means for all users that are using desktops to access and to view my blogs, they will see in this way. For those users that use tablet, they will see my posting in this way. For those users that use the mobile phone, they will see my posting in this way. This is very important before you publish your post. You're supposed to preview and see how your viewers, your readers, they will see your posting in different devices like computers, tablets, and mobile phones. So very important. To insert image on a blog post, first you're supposed to select the positions where you want to insert your image. You can insert image on top of the post or you can set image between posts. But this is depend on a kind of post that you want to post. For the content like how to content types or step by step guides how to do something in this kind of content is advised that to have a screenshot on every step you explain to a users. So in this kind of content we will be having multiple screenshots. So you will be posting images between your posts. But in this video, I will insert image on top of the post. But the same process we use to insert image between posts. First, I will click on top of my post. Then I will click insert. See, after I click insert, after I click insert, I will see these four options. Upload from computer, photos, bloggers, and by URL. If your image is located on your computer, you can click here and navigate on the folder that you have saved your image, then you will upload your computers. If your image is within your Google Photos, Google Photos is one of the Google services. If you are saving images on Google Photos, you can click here under Photos and select the image you want to upload, then you will upload. And a blogger, if you have another post which is a similar image you want to reuse on this post, you don't need to browse again from computer because you already have on your blogger. You can select here and a blogger and then upload this image to your blog post. By URL, if you have the image maybe on different website or on your previous post same, but you want to upload it by URL, you can select here and insert the URL of the image. The image automatically will be seen on your blog. But in this video, we'll upload image from computer. So once I will click upload, then I will click browse. I will select my image. Once I upload my image, by default, the image will be inserted here at top of the post, the center. But see, you will see these alignment options. You have these alignments, 3 alignment options. You can align image left, or you can align image center, or you can align image at right. If I click left, the image will go at left. Then if I click right, the image will go at right. If I click center, the image will remain at center. Also, we have this gear buttons. See, this image is very small. For me, in my blog post, I prefer having a large image so that my viewers they can see a very clear image. So I will click this gear button and I will select X large. I prefer this X large because looking good and my readers will see it very clear. Then I will click update. See the image size increased. So you will do the things if we want to insert the image between posting. If you want to insert the image between posting, you can click the cursor where you want to insert, and then you can go to insert image. And if you want to insert the image, let's say here, you can go and then click insert the image, and you will repeat the same process. And this is how you can insert your image on your blog post. So once you have completed inserting your image, you can preview your post to see how it's look. You will see this how my post looks after setting an image. So this is how you can insert image on your blog post. And now I'm explaining on how to add subtitles, bullet points, and links on a blog post. So to add a subtitle on a blog post, let's see this is the first statement. I want to keep this as a subtitle. I will highlight this statement. Then I will go here and paragraph. Then I will set as a subheading. So once I set subheadings and bold, it will appear as a subtitle in my blog post. To insert a bullet on my blog post, first I supposed to select the place where I want to keep my bullets. It's like in a Word document. It's like how we do in Word documents. This is a word processor. So you're supposed to select the place where you want to keep your bullets, and then you will go on top. See here under bullet list, then you will insert your bullet and you keep once you press enter button, it will keep once you press enter button, you can keep next point, then enter button next point. It depends on the number of points you want to keep. You can keep as many as you can. To insert a links on a blog post is very simple. Let's say I'm explaining this content. I want my readers to know well, maybe Sir Alex Ferguson, or to know well Pep Guardiola. I will find the profile, any profile of Sir Alex Ferguson or any profile of Pep Guardiola, then I will make it a link. So let me first go to Google and search for Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola. I will search for Pep Guardiola. Yes, this is Pep Guardiola. I'm looking for the profile, any profile of Pep Guardiola. There's a Wikipedia profile. I don't like that. Let me check it. We have this Instagram profile. I'm opening this Instagram profile. Then I will copy this link for Pep Guardiola. Then I'll come back to my blog post. Then I will highlight this statement and go under these icons, insert or edit links. I would click insert or edit links for the word Pep Guardiola. Then I would paste in that links. I have once I paste, I have this option here to decide. Once user click the links, the Pep Guardiola profile should open within that post or should open a new tabs. For me, I prefer that profile to open on different tab. So I will tick this and clicking apply. So once you apply, you will see now on my blog post, this Pep Guardiola look different. So that means once you use a click this Pep Guardiola, you will be redirected to another window which will show profile of the that Pep Guardiola. And that is how to insert links on a blog post. So now I will explain how to embed a YouTube video on your blog post. It's very simple. First, you're supposed to select the positions where you want to keep a video. But for training purpose, in this post, I will keep any Manchester United related video. So I will place the cursor here. I want to keep my video at end of the posting. I will keep my cursor here, and then I will go to YouTube. To YouTube, then I will search for Manchester United and pick this top video. Then I will copy the link. So once I copy the links, I'll come back to my blog posting and I click insert video. After clicking insert video, we have two options. You can upload from your computer or you can use YouTube. But in this tutorial, we are learning how to embed a YouTube video on a blog post. So we'll click in YouTube. So once you click YouTube, this pop-up will come. So if with the same Google account, you have a YouTube channel with the same Google account, your YouTube channel videos will load here. And you can select any video you want to use on your blog posting. But because we are posting Manchester United related contents, I will paste a URL here on top. Then I will press enter button. This video will come. I will select the video and click insert. After clicking insert, you can resize the video how you want your video to look to your readers. You can keep a bigger size for your readers to see very clear, like I'm doing. To insert a YouTube, and that is how to embed a YouTube video on blog post. So now I'll explain how to write a search descriptions, and then finally we will publish our post. You know, there are similar bloggers and content creators who will be posting the same stories. So we have multiple search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bings. Uh, you want your post to appear on top. So for your post to appear on top, you're supposed to keep a search descriptions. So if users are searching for the same story, it's supposed to be among the suggested posts. So to write a search descriptions, first you can to write your search descriptions, you can copy the headings of your blog. Then you can go to light bar. You can find the search descriptions. Under search description, you can paste that headings, or you can keep a similar text with the same meanings with that. So if users they search, they will find this. So if users they will research, your post will be among the suggested posts. So once I keep search descriptions, so now I can publish my post. So to publish your post, you're supposed to go on the right left corner. You will see a button called publish. Can you click that publish? A pop-up will come to ask you to confirm if you want to publish. You know, if you publish your post now will be visible to public. So click confirm. So once I click confirm, my blog post will be successfully published, and the users and the leaders they can see it globally. So this is how you to write a very professional blog post. And if you love my videos, you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you.